Good morning, South Jersey. Well, I definitely feel the need to share this text message I got from a friend and colleague this morning. Woke up this morning and wow, 3 inches of snow. No, wait, that was a dream. Nothing. Well, I'm definitely going to see a lot of flack over this one over the coming days. But yeah, I did say maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow. That unfortunately did not come to pass, but at least I wasn't on that higher end of the predictions like the guys up in Philly, 4 to 8 inches. I knew that was ridiculous. We saw a mostly rain event. We did see the transition to a heavy wet snow, but it did not stick. 0.8 of an inch of rain was recorded yesterday. A trace of snow. That's it. We are at a departure of about 0.5 inches for the month. We only had 11.5 inches of snow for the year, putting us at a departure -4 inches. So not a very snowy winter across South Jersey. We saw several short-lived storms that brought us an inch or two at a time. No big setup. This storm, I thought, could be that potential, but it looked increasingly less likely as the days went on. It missed us to the northeast and the southwest. We're looking at our radar as of 10 o'clock this morning. There it is, exiting to our northeast. Parts of New York City and northeastern New Jersey still seeing some lingering snow showers, and those will end as the day goes on. Let's take a look at what I forecasted and what we actually observed. The winds, right on par with what I thought. 40+ mile an hour, 40 miles an hour or more was observed through South Jersey, with higher wind gusts. Atlantic City was 61, Ocean City 62, and down Stone Harbor 68 miles an hour. Lewis, Delaware was the highest I saw. Hurricane force winds 71 miles an hour, and certainly a lot of damage was seen throughout the Garden State. The rain, I said 1/2 inch to an inch. We saw 0.8 of an inch, excuse me. The flooding, minor to moderate. We saw minor to moderate flooding, especially this morning. The 3 to 5 a.m. high tide brought some localized major flooding in some locations, especially in Ocean City and Stone Harbor. And we will see the possibility for some more flooding as the day goes on with our afternoon high tide. Here's the bust in the forecast. I said 1 to 3 inches of snow. We only saw a trace. Every forecaster has their bad day, and like I said, I'm just glad that I didn't say 4 to 8 inches because I'd feel a lot worse today than I do. Initially, a 24-hour event. What we saw, a 24-hour event. So averaging all this together, not that bad. I got 4 out of the 5 right, and I give myself an 80. That's a B. Not too bad with a very complex setup. There's the storm today exiting to our east. Very windy in parts of the northeast up here with lots of snow, 6+ inches, and then mixing along the I-80 corridor, New York City, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. We have this high that will be blocking to the north. It'll actually bring us a pretty decent but unsettled Friday. We do have the possibility of some wraparound bands of snow. It's called a Norland trough. It's a very high technical term. I mean, the possibility does exist for a stray shower in the snow or rain variety this evening. I'm not going to really put out a map because it's basically a hit or miss. The storm cannot turn northeast, and I'm surprised it actually came as far as it did. Instead, it's just going to ride out on an easterly track. So today, a mix of sun and clouds, becoming mostly cloudy, 44 to 43. Tonight, remaining cloudy. A rain or snow shower is not out of the realm of possibility. We'll do 34 to 35. And tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, maybe a morning shower, 46 to 45. And then watch what happens on our 5-day. Saturday and Sunday, 51 degrees. Monday, we bring the clouds back into the picture at 52. And maybe we see the development of some severe weather in the nation's heartland. The weather just doesn't calm down. Thanks for logging on the Village Weather Online. I'm NorEasterNick. Have a great day, everyone.